ya Kakamega niriketie kuheana kimanjika gia ciringi mirioni 500 na iritanyitwo gukorwo iaka kiganda gia guthondeka indo gicigo-ini kia likuyani gwa kahinda ka mwaka umwe ukite. Munini wa ngabana uria wikaine ta ayub savula akiaria hingo ya kurugurio kwa ruhonge rwa Kenya Youth Organization Kakamega ni ugite ati mubango uyu ni utanyitwo guthondeka mieke ya mawira kuri Mbeu Njithi makiria ya 5,000 itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati ni mona handu mangikorwo makimathira uboco wao o muthenya.
Today's event was the official launch of Kenya Youth Organization. This is a Kakamega County chapter. We were doing an official launch for the same, ensure empowerment of the youth economically.
Tulikuwa tumetengeneza launch ya kuleta vijana wote wa Kakamega County as a team. We are expecting our leaders and we love our leaders. At least we work together. At least we are targeting how youth can be empowered. At least anyone can get a
unemployment, not only in Kakamega, the entire country, is a ticking time bomb. Whereas the KDF were only recruiting 5 individuals per station in Kakamega County, the turn-up among the youth was so high. Out of a population turnout of 5,000, they only selected 5 individuals to join the KDF. We want to ensure that we tap into those opportunities that are available among the youth through such organizations like Kenya Youth Organization. We ensure that we guide the youth on how to create wealth.